Hello everyone, my name is Chetan Mehta. I'm the founder and lead instructor at Skill Cubator. Today's session is all about discussing our December 2017 Agile Business Systems Analysis training program. So that's going to be the last session for this year. So I'd like to announce that and feel free to share it with your friends or anyone interested in this training. So basically, it's a pretty straightforward process where we start with the training, followed by resume preparation, interview preparation, and then the placement. And if you need any post-placement support, we're there to help you. The total duration of the training is 6 to 8 weeks. So from the time you start the training till you get ready for the placement, it's about 6 to 8 weeks. And one of the key highlights of this training program is that you get certified as a Scrum Master by the end of the training from one of the recognized bodies in this field. I'd like to spend some time on this slide. So here I've divided this slide into 4 quadrants: fundamentals, advanced, tools and techniques, and the business domain. So let's start with the fundamentals. So I go with an assumption that you don't have any knowledge of business analysis or IT domain, because this course is more from the IT perspective. Business analyst is a very generic term. We need to be specific from which perspective we are seeing this role, right? So that's why the name of the course is Business Systems Analysis. Somebody who is working with a client, with a customer, understanding their needs, trying to help solve their problem and build a system or an application as part of the process. So as part of the fundamentals, we cover what is business analysis, the role of a business analyst, and who is a business analyst. As I said, the term business analyst is a very generic term. It can be a financial analyst, marketing analyst, logistics analyst, likewise. So we focus from the IT perspective. That's why the name is Business Systems Analysis. Then we see the different types of requirements. What is SDLC? Software Development Lifecycle. Then what are the different types of software engineering frameworks we have in place, starting from waterfall to Agile, Scrum, Kanban, and a hybrid of all these. Now, as a business analyst, you will be working in a projectized environment. So you need to know something about project management. So we'll see all of those concepts of project management. So ideally, this is where you will be building your foundation so that you can go to the next level, which is the advanced level. So we will spend a lot of time in this quadrant because we will do all the hands-on exercise assignments using all the tools and techniques in this quadrant. So in the advanced, we built on the foundation which you learned in the fundamentals. So as part of the advanced, we cover the core requirements processes, which are requirements elicitation, analysis, documentation skills, and then the requirements management concepts. Apart from that, we also focus on BPMN, which is Business Process Management and Notation, Service-Oriented Architecture concepts, SQL, which is Structured Query Language, Cloud Computing, and Unified Modeling Language. So as you can see here, in the advanced, we covered the key requirements processes, how to analyze the requirements, how to document them using different tools and techniques, which is the third quadrant. So these two are hand in hand. So we have a topic here, but you use some tool to do that topic or to do that assignment. So let me come to the third quadrant, which is the tools and techniques. So in the tools and techniques, as I said, when we are doing some topic, when we are covering some topic, I'll be giving you some assignment to do. whether it's in class or in your downtime. Irrespective of that, you will be using a tool to complete that assignment. So I'll quickly go through the list of tools we use. So the first tool and one of the most important tools for a BA is MS Visio, which is a modeling tool. We use it to create a process models, whether it's using a standard notations or a BPMN notation. We use this tool a lot. So that's number one tool I like to use. Also like MS Visio to create UML diagrams, which is Unified Modeling Language based diagrams. The next tool is Cantor. It's a project management tool to create a project plan or a schedule. The next one is Glyphy or Lucidchart. We use this tool to create org charts, RACI metrics, root cause analysis models. The next one is Balsamiq or Markflow. We use it to create a static web pages, wireframes, mockups. Then we use Tortoise SVN, which is a configuration and change management tool to check in and check out the artifacts. I focus a lot on Agile, so that's why I use Jira and Confluence a lot. So Jira is a project management tool, especially for IT Agile projects. So we will use this tool. And apart from the Jira, we will also see Confluence, which is a wiki page tool, which helps you create all your project documentation and maintain it in one single place. We'll use some of the MS Office products to create RTM, which is Requirements Traceability Matrix. And then there are some more tools I like to use, which is Signavio, MS Visio, Camunda for BPMN based assignments or BPMN based workflows, process models. So as you can see here, you will be using 10 to 12 different tools in order to create your assignments or complete your assignments, create your artifacts, which we cover in this advanced quadrant. And the last one is the business domain quadrant. Now, as a business analyst, you need to have some basic understanding of a business domain. For me, there are two important domains which I would like to start with, which is first one is finance. Now within finance, we have retail banking, we have capital markets or investment banking like shares, fixed income, derivative market, secondary mortgage, insurance, those kind of things. And then we have healthcare, which is again a huge domain. So I would like to focus on these two domains, finance and healthcare, followed by telecom, branch management, supply chain management. So if you have any preference, you can let us know and we can focus on that domain. And we can work with you guys to help you specialize in that domain. So that's me. And you can see, I have a bachelor's in marketing economics followed by MBA. I did diploma in programming, but I never did any coding on any projects. So one of the questions I get that do I need to be a programmer to be a business analyst or be a business systems analyst? And the answer is no, you don't need any programming experience to be a business analyst or business systems analyst. So that's about me. So why do we think we are unique or we offer some special features? So some of the reasons, as you can see here, this slide on this slide is that we go with a small group size. Like unlike others, I don't like to go with a huge batch, so to speak. So I'll limit people maximum up to 6 to 8. So we have a small group size so that we can have more interactive session, we can have more collaboration, more communication back and forth, because it's not only you doing assignments, I need to review it and give you the feedback as well. So I like to have a small size or a small group size so I can do justice to you as well. The entire material is aligned to the BEBOK, which is IIBA's Body of Knowledge 3.0, as well as PMI's Body of Knowledge on Business Analysis. So in future, if you are planning to take certification from IIB or PMI, ideally you have covered those body of knowledge as well. As I said in the beginning, the Scrum Master certification is included. So by the end of this training, you are certified Scrum Master from one of the recognized bodies, and that puts a lot of weightage on your resume. As I said, I use more than 10 standard tools as part of the training. So you will be doing assignments, in-class exercise, case studies using these industry standard tools. So you can imagine, how much of exposure you are getting when you use these tools. You will be working with a certified instructor from IIBA, from PMI, from Scrum Alliance, IC Agile. So you must be rest assured that what instructor is telling you is something coming from experience, from theory, from concepts, from a certified body. All the course material is aligned to what's going on in the market, the latest and the greatest. So as I said, Agile is one of the key concepts in today's environment. We focus a lot on Agile, within Agile, Scrum, Kanban, automation, test-driven development, how to write epic stories using Gherkin syntax, how to use Jira, Confluence, things like that. And the last thing is we will help you get placed without any contractual obligation. So you are not signing any contract, you're not forced to go with SkillCubator. We just help you place, and that's basically what we do. We train you, we help you getting placed without any contractual obligation. So the next session is on December 4th. We start on December 4th of 2017. The schedule is Monday, Tuesday and Thursdays from 8 to 10 p.m. Eastern Time. Roughly about 45 hours of training, 45 to 50 hours, plus the assignments, case studies, in-class quiz, right? Interview preparation, everything is in addition to that. All sessions are online. So you don't need to commute, you don't need to physically travel. You just have to log in using your headphones, and that's all you need. So please email us back on info@skillcubator.com or call me back on 703-200-9921 in case if you decide to go for the training. And that's pretty much about this session. I just wanted to announce our next session and the last session of 2017. So feel free to call us back on 703-200-9921. The email address is info@skillcubator.com and the website is www.skillcubator.com. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.